Module 2 focuses on plot, conflict, and paraphrasing. Before getting started, take a look at the teacher notes. Again, this is not to be published, it's just for the teacher to see. At the top of the page, you'll see a Semester 1 at a glance and Module 2 at a glance, so you can take a look at the document and have an overview of what's to be expected. Just a reminder, if you see anything typed in red, to delete that before publishing, because again, they are teacher notes and not students. Here is the master presentation of all the lessons in the module, so you can have a copy all in one place. If you make any changes or edits, you will need to upload those into the module, and here are some videos on how to do that. Here is the teacher edition of the CFA at the end of the module with proficient examples. Here's a video to share with students on how to annotate using Google Documents. It is highly suggested that you create video lessons of you teaching the lessons and the presentations so students have a better understanding of what they are to learn. If you feel that the text complexity already in the module is not the right fit for your students, here are some suggestions to switch them out. The pacing that we suggest for this module is 4 weeks, and it is outlined here. The module will begin with an introduction and essential question. The introduction goes over what the students will learn, and it provides the assignments they will need to work on, the learning goals, and focus standards. The essential question in this module is a bit more thematic, and students will be able to answer this question by the end of the module. In the previous module, students learned how to analytically read a nonfiction text. So in the building background portion of this unit, they are going to practice those skills with a nonfiction article. They will watch a little video, and then they will work through the activity and then have a discussion with the class about the article. Then we get into the lessons about plot, conflict, and paraphrasing. You'll notice that there are quick writes and checks to make sure students are on track to what they are learning. The assignment, How to Fight Monsters, this is a short story or an excerpt from a story, and students will be using this same story throughout the rest of the module. So they're learning and applying what they've learned through this one short story and will not turn it in until they've completed all the components. And then once they've gone through all the lessons, they'll apply what they've learned with the short story 2 are left. The module ends with a final reflection discussion. Every discussion has the prompt up on the top. It tells the students what they should be doing. Sentence stems to stimulate conversation, and of course the netiquette to show students how they should act in a conversation. So again, the Module 2, it is continuing to build on the analytic reading skills from Module 1 and now going into plot, conflict, and paraphrasing.